I've been following Shashank on Instagram for quite some time now, and I had read about his various safaris, and Kaziranga is a place I've always wanted to come to because I've heard so many things, and I wanted to explore the Northeast, and I didn't want to do this trip on my own, so that's why I decided to contact Shashank's team, and that's how I'm here.
So the driver again was Babu. Babu drove us the first time I came here and the second time. And as I said previously, he was a fantastic driver, very knowledgeable about the park and also about the birds. So it was really all in all an excellent experience once again with Babu.
If we want to click pictures, he doesn't mind. And he's also always spotting wildlife and explaining things to us. So it was a pleasure having him to show us around.
Well, Kaziranga is rather special to me because actually I think as far as I recall, this was the first national park I ever visited as a child long time ago. And I always wanted to come back, but it took me a long time to get back. And I made it back I think 2 years ago again with Shashank, and this is now my third visit, though it's the second one that I can actually recall properly. And I don't know, it's always I've always been fascinated with it because of the large mammals. I'm particularly fond of elephants, and Kaziranga is well known for its elephants, and also of course for the rhino and the wild buffalo. So the last time I came with Shashank, I came for the elephants but fell in love with the wild buffalo. So I came back this time to see the wild buffalo, and I hope to keep coming back as often as I can.
This was the first time in the Northeast, and it's completely different from the other safaris. It's so green and wildlife is different, and of course the one horn rhino is only found here. So it's something that I really enjoyed, this experience, the landscape, and the weather was amazing. We were so lucky. So yeah, it's very different from the other places I've been to.
It was pretty comfortable, and everything was clean and nice, and the food was so amazing. I wish I would come again soon with Shashank.
The hotel was very nice, La View Kaziranga. It had an excellent view of the national park, nice and windy, good food, clean rooms, absolutely no complaints.
Yesterday we just spotted eagles. Mostly I was so eager about the eagles because whenever they flew in the sky, I just watched them, how they are doing. So when I just saw them, so real, and it was so nice. And then today we had a rhino encounter us, and we were just running off. It was so awesome. I had a wonderful experience, and it's so unforgettable.
One memorable moment was spotting the great hornbill. I've obviously seen pictures in the past and seen videos, but never seen it up close and in real. So spotting that was the highlight. And we also saw a calf and mother today, a rhino calf and mother, and that was such a good experience.
I've been there for some safaris, but I didn't know. I will just click the pictures of some birds and all, but I don't know about what it is and how it is. But with him, with Shashank, I learned about the names of the birds, and he used to explain what that bird and what it will do, and how it is became, and it was so nice, and I learned a lot because of him, and it was nice. I'm sure everyone should come and enjoy.
Well, this is my second trip with Shashank, and as usual, it was an extremely nice experience. A lovely accommodation, all the arrangements were excellent, and of course, again, it was in Kaziranga. The previous one was also in Kaziranga, and this is the second time in Kaziranga, and this time in March. And it was fantastic. Absolutely no complaints whatsoever. We had some excellent sightings, especially of the rhino. On yesterday evening, we saw this mother and calf, and we had some really great moments and got some really great shots of it. And overall, it was, as usual, a fantastic trip, and I look forward to many more.
Yeah, it was excellent. He's so attentive, and his team as well I've been corresponding with them for the last few weeks, and they're so responsive, and they understand what you want, and they cater to your requirements as well. And even the co-travelers on this safari were like-minded, so it was really nice, because usually I travel either solo or with friends, so this time I met such interesting people as well, so that was also something really nice. But overall, yeah, Shashank is so experienced and knowledgeable himself, and I'm looking forward to more trips with his team.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.